This is Al Harlow. I'm going to show you how we use a technique we call location served to enhance our search engine results listings. If you're going to build a website and you're going to spend the money on building something that's very attractive, you might as well also work on trying to get traffic to it. Because if you don't get traffic to your website through organic searches, then you're going to have to be totally dependent on getting the word out through traditional advertising. And that can get very expensive. So organic listings are always a better way to spend your money because it's longer term and it can give you much better results for a lot less money. We choose subjects. Typically, they're keywords or key phrases that the search engines are actually ranking as highly searched. In our case, being a computer managed service company, we do computer repair, we do virus cleaning. So these are two subjects that we focus on. So we don't want to pay for advertising. What we'd rather do is work with you in creating the subjects and making sure that they then are represented on your site in this technique that we're going to show you here called location served. But it will be location based. So that's how we're able to do this. And we're quite successful, in fact, very successful in getting our site listed. And I'm going to show you the example right here, right now. So you'll see here we have a link, and here's our two subject matters about two things that we do, one being computer repair and the other one being virus removal. So let's do computer repair. So here we have examples of our locations that we serve. And you can see we list the city, the state, and the zip code. And you can see we have quite a number of locations. You also can go in here and just click on a location and it will bring you the information about the particular city. We're going to focus here on Aurora, which is down here. The subject matter here is computer repair near me. So when I click on Aurora, I'll be brought to another page, and this is the key. We build these pages based on location and the subject. And this particular page has to have information, and the text here is so important as far as what we write and how we write it. But we provide, and you'll see we'll sprinkle the word computer repair throughout what we talk about here. We also sprinkle the word Aurora, which is the location. And the technique works, and I'll prove it to you right here. If you open up a new tab, so if I put in computer repair Aurora, Ohio. Now we're not in this map section. This is controlled by the actual location. But where we do show up is on the page right here. So this is that same, if I click on that, you'll see we go to that same exact page. And that's the technique. So we're not showing to the top. Let's go back and try another one. So our locations served, again, we have computer repair and virus removal. Let's go ahead and do virus removal. What we have done is we created a page for virus removal, which focuses on virus removal in Aurora. And when we actually put virus protection, Aurora, Ohio, and if I'm at that location, by the way, Google now actually will know, if you give it permission, will know that you're searching for virus protection in Aurora, Ohio. You see that we come up as number 1, number 2. Let's see where else we are on this page. But we're at the top, and that is what you want to achieve. The benefits are huge. You'll be listed at the top of the pages of the search engine results pages. You won't have to pay Google every time somebody clicks on that page because it's an organic listing. That's what these are called. These first 3, by the way, are advertisements. And then bam, here we are. So you live in Aurora, you say I need virus protection, bam. So let's look, let's just do this virus removal. Let's do that one. Okay, in this regard, here we are again. We're number 1 in the organic listings. We're not in the map This is called a 3-pack. And that's something else we can discuss with you, because we actually do offer to work with you in getting you listed in this 3-pack. In our case, we are in Chagrin Falls, not in Aurora. We are probably in a broader pack. We're not going to be in the first 3 listings because those are usually location based. But here we are, number 3 in the 10-pack. So that's good news there too. We are being found only because of the simple technique that we call locations served. All you have to do is give us the locations that you want us to list, and then we'll build the maps, and then we'll build the pages around the subject matter that you want us to optimize for. So each page will be around that subject matter. It will have a map on how people get to your location from the location that we're serving. And then there will be some basic information, and we'll work with you on what that information is and how it should actually read. So again, Al Harlow, thanks so much for listening, and I hope you'll take advantage of this much unknown, perhaps, technique that we utilize. I mean, it is not something that's typical of a website designer to be working with you on. This is the kind of thing that we can bring to the table for you. If you haven't chosen Click IT as your website designer, please consider us, because you can see some of the things that we're doing that others won't even take into consideration. Again, Al Harlow, Click IT. Hope to hear from you soon.